everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are great today. I hope you're good. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome, and thank you for subscribing. If you're road, hi, I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you for tuning in again. On today's video, I've got something slightly different that I wanted to share with you guys. You know, I always do hair and stuff like that, but I thought I can just, you know, think outside the box a little bit and do something slightly different so that I can, like, you know, get the rest more audience into my content, you know, because different people might like different things. So on today's video, I went to obviously I want to share with you guys how I went to town. I went to Wilkinson, and in my next video I'm going to share with you also. I went to TK Maxx as well because I was obviously we just moved home, for those of you who know, you know, we're still doing a lot to the house, setting up the house and everything. It never really finishes. As you can see, I've got just so much to change around. We're just using a few things right now, but on the long run we're gonna change quite a few things around. As you can see, that cupboard there, my son, he did something to it, so you know that has to go eventually, but for now it's just serving the purpose of, you know, the TV sitting on it. But yeah, enough of my blabbing. But yeah, I went to Wilkinson, and first of all I went to a friend's house, and she had the most beautiful scent in her house. It just smelled so great, and I thought, right, I really have to have this smell. So she told me what it was, so I went into Wilkinson to look for it, and it turned out to be like half price on all this stuff. So what I bought was is this, I've already taken it out. It is here. Ooh, almost broke. So this is it. This is the Glade automatic spray. So this one is a luscious cherry and peony. It smells really great. This is what comes inside the box. So when you buy the box, basically you do get like a free can of these inside it. Well, not necessarily this smell, but like different kinds. Like what came in here was just the luscious cherry and peony. So I bought it. I bought about 3 of them because I wanted it to be like all scattered in different places in the house so it can have really great smell. So I came home, tried to put it on, you know, and one of them wasn't working, and one of the replacement sprays didn't have the nozzle on, so I had to go back to Wilkinson to obviously get another one. So when I got there, I had a guy who worked there. He helped me take this one, try it out, make sure that it was working, and obviously then I got it. But yeah, this is an amazing smell. This smells so great. So basically what you do is you open it here. I'm trying to show you if you can see. You open here like so. Then as you can see, this is the one I've got in, luscious cherry and peony. So you have your timer there, so it's off, and then it's 36 minutes, 18 minutes, and 9 minutes. So basically you just choose how long you want the spray, and it's got a battery at the back of it over there, as you can see. So basically you choose how long you would like your spray to, obviously, you know, spray automatically every now and then. So I think this is on 36 minutes because it's upstairs and it makes a little bit of noise every now and then, but it's not so much that it would distract the kids or wake them up in the middle of the night. But yeah, so I put it on that. So every 36 minutes it sprays, and it smells amazing. I'll test it out for you so you can see. This is how it goes. There you go, and it diffuses, literally it fills the whole house with this smell. And right now, I'm in heaven. Then this one was the one that my friend had in her house, and the smell of it, oh my god, like literally, no, it says Hawaiian breeze. So if this is how the breeze in Hawaii smells, then I want to move to Hawaii, right? Because this stuff right here, it smells just so beautiful. Oh, people in Hawaii, you definitely are having the best time of your lives. If you are waking up to this sort of breeze every day, then wow, I envy you. But yeah, and where is even this stuff I'm looking for. Well, there they are. So this is what I've come for. I need a problem with it. Excuse me. So now to get this one sprayed. And just quite a few here, but
I'll give you that one, you know that one works.
yeah,
Actually,
okay.
well done, I need to turn it off. I've left it on. You're going to be walking around at the spray.
I know. It's going to be spraying and all. Spray it in. But there is no more there. I would have loved to get a wax melt kind of it. Or this one in a different reason. No, this will do me just for now. Set it out.
I've turned it on.
It was working, everything's fine, so I had to put it up. But in the process of you know, getting him to fix it and whatnot, so I went in to have a bit of a shopping spree, you know, just to have a look for inspirations and what I need to do and what I need to get. So I went in, there were just so many nice stuffs and obviously so many inspirations out there. I thought I'd share with you guys, so that if you're like looking for inspiration like myself, maybe you're moving home, or you know, you just, you know, want to redecorate your house for spring or something, you can have these ideas to know how to go about decorating your house. So that's what I did, so have a little look as well. Finish. What is this, like metallic gold ornament settings as well. There's more over here. Like a sort of rainbow. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Kitchen accessories. I'm just looking for like ornaments and stuff like that. Beautiful. Oh, they do blinds as well. These furniture. Yeah. Are there any vertical ones? Vertical ones. Roller. Blackout. Yeah, I've seen this today. I'm looking at this beautiful curtain. I'm sure it's a high drop. 90 by 90 by 90. And this is like a sample of it. I mean, how lush does this look? Indeed, I literally just bought this online. They were the worst size ever. I don't know if they sell it here. This is what I need. Here. Joyful So one. I want a little bit smaller size, not so big like that. Normally you get this from IKEA. Some papers. Plants, well, artificial flowers. And I've got one of these. I don't want to swap it over for a white colour because I don't know about the grey one I've got. They do candles in diffusers and very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry if it's not what you're used to, but I thought I'd try and, you know, to incorporate something different into my normal videos that I post. And I obviously this is serving a purpose to a certain audience, and I really hope that that won't deter you from obviously tuning in for more. But I do have something for everybody. For hair, I will post every week basically, or whenever I have something new coming up, I will totally like post it up. But for these people who are interested in, like, you know, household stuff like these hauls and shopping and cleaning and routines and stuff like that. I will bring that up as well, because I want my channel to be broad and like for every, you know, kinds of people out there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for tuning in again, and I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a lovely day, and I shall see you later. Bye.